there. So today we're out at the RV and we are trying to do some upgrades to our RV. What we want to do is remove that tile backsplash. See, Rob's right there trying to mess around with it. The thing is what's this look like? There. The thing is, it's stuck onto the wall.
Well, they just glued it on.
They glued it on. So we're trying to get the tile off without damaging the wall, which we've done.
It'll be covered up with the new.
A little bit there. What are you saying? It'll be covered up with
the new tile work.
Okay. So this is what we're working with. Excuse my bad camera angle. So we're going to be working on this.
Finally got it.
So now, how are you going to fix that?
It's going to be covered.
But aren't you going to have to fix it? Well, that's just not right. Put some wood filler on.
Could fill it in somehow.
This is how our discussions are all the time. Just so you know, excuse the language, because that's how it is. Okay.
This is a big pain in the butt getting this stuff.
So we got it off, as you can see. Now we have these spots that
almost looks like
glue or something stuck on them.
I don't know if it's the white stuff they use for tile or what.
So we are going to run over to Harbor Freight, oopsie, and see if we can get a heat gun or something and maybe try and heat it up and fly it off a little bit better. It's my first time in a Harbor Freight, so
Alright, so we got the tile off, we sanded any of where the glue was. My own van of light here. And now we're just going to wipe, make sure there's no grease or pledge or whatever we've had put on the wood before. And then we're going to try these tic-tac tiles. They just peel and stick, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll catch back with you in a few minutes. Got it all over the place already. this is getting ridiculous. This is our third time trying to take this stupid video, and I keep getting no sound. You remember a while back, that was the last video, where I didn't have any sound with her at
with the Bob Barker microphone.
That and get that out of here. And playing pool. And Mike gave me crap for, muting her because she won the pool game. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the microphone or maybe it's not recording right now. I have no idea.
We'll see.
We'll find out. So, anyways, we finished the backsplash in the motorhome. Well, 95% of it. We still got a few touch-ups. We like it. Definitely brightens it up. Got rid of the browns. A few more odds and ends we're going to do in this thing to help personalize it. The couch, some paintings, some pictures, stuff like that. So if you want to see some of that, we can definitely record it. I'm not going to do how-to videos or anything like that because I'm not a how-to person.
Doesn't have the patience.
Yeah, don't have the patience. And speaking of, don't let someone order the ones with all the octagon print because I had to line up 9 sides to stick this on the wall.
Well, and it's a peel and stick.
So you can pull it off and keep adjusting it, but subway tile
make,
would have been a lot easier.
And you have to make cuts, so if one cut's off, it's all off.
And then it just domino effect all the way down. So you could, we actually messed up at one point, or I messed up, and we had to order another box to finish it correctly. And it's not cheap; it's expensive. So, but we're done, except for a few touch-ups. So
yeah,
we're happy with it.
Yeah.
I'll give you a quick look here. Behind the sink, behind the stove, and up the wall right here. So that's all we're probably going to do in this area. Like I said, the next project will be the couch.
We're going to take it
We're going to take it out, put a whole new couch in here, reclining couch, a little bit more comfortable. Probably paint this wall on this slide, and that's probably about it as far as personalizing. We don't do too much to it. So if you want to see more, please add them in the comments and let us know, and we'll see you guys later.
Like, thumbs up,
like,
and subscribe if you like what you see.
All right, catch you guys later. Bye.